this video, we will talk about more spelling rules. Rabbit rule. Just look at this word rabbit, then you will get to know what is this spelling rule. See, if a word has two syllables, rabbit, as in the word rabbit, rabbit is having two syllables, rab and bit. And the first syllable has a short vowel sound. If you look at rab, then this syllable is having a short vowel sound, a. In addition, if you hear a one consonant sound between two vowels in each syllable, see, b, 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 there are only one consonant sounds between the vowels, then what we need to do, we double the consonant letter between them. So we doubled letter B in this word. Examples can be rabbit, kitten, letter, muffin, ladder, better. There are a lot of examples. You can just have a look. So move to its infographics. Only this simple infographics will help you memorize this simple rule. See that two ears represent two syllables. The first syllable has a short vowel, so it is having a very cute face. So have a short and a cute face. So the first syllable is having a short vowel. Then add a one consonant sound between the vowels. See, there is a one consonant sound between the vowel. Tummy represents the one consonant sound, and legs represent vowels. So one consonant sound between the vowels. Then we double the middle consonant. So we will double the middle consonant. So just keep the whole rabbit in your head, then you will get to know what is this spelling rule. Move to the next rule. This is also a very simple rule. Ch, ch, for the ch sound. If you hear ch at the end of a syllable and it is immediately preceded by a short vowel, so we will spell it with TCH instead of CH. And keep one more thing in your mind, that TCH for the ch sound never comes at the beginning of a word. For example, church. In a word church, if you see ch, ch sound is coming at the start of the word. So without any doubt, you have to write CH for ch at the beginning of the word. On the contrary, if ch is preceded by a vowel team, consonant or the bossy R, then it is spelled with CH grapheme. There are some examples for the TCH and CH representing ch sound. For example, batch. If you look, then a, it's a short vowel sound. So TCH for ch sound will come. Each, it is a vowel team. So CH for ch sound will come over here. Move to its worksheet and infographics. Look at this cute and simple infographics. These are the short vowel sounds, a, o, a. So if you will hear a short vowel sound, so in the word representing ch sound, then what we will do, we will use this TCH shield. On the contrary, for ch sound followed by the vowel team, bossy R or the consonant, we will use CH instead of TCH. Let me show you simple worksheet. Look here. See, no. This is an O. So, notch. We will put this shield over here because notch, notch. For the ch sound, we will put TCH shield because here the vowel sound is a short sound. On the contrary, if you look over here, then this will come over here. Why? Peach. Before ch sound, there is a vowel T or a long sound. You can do on your own the whole worksheet. Okay, now the find and gold rule. This is very simple rule. As the name suggests, find and gold. As the name suggests, when letter I and letter O comes before two consonants, nt, lt, the vowel can say its long sound, as in find and in gold. Some other examples are mold, child, hind, behind, mind, holds, cold, cold. There are many examples. Move to the next, move to its worksheet. Find and gold rule. Find the gold in the maze. You can pick up the gold if you will read the cards above labeled with particular numbers. See? Find. Come on, run. We found a gold. Oh, we cannot pick it up because we need to write. We need to read this word. Find. Now we can pick up the gold. Move to the second one. Oh, what is second one? Mold. So we can pick up this gold. That's how you can complete this worksheet with your students. Move to the next spelling rule. English words don't end in you and we. See, English words can never end with letters U and V. To spell the long U sound at the end of the word, we use UE or EW. For the words ending in V, we put silent E. Moreover, when the silent E does this job, so forget about the magic E. Examples can be clue. See, you are hearing long U sound at the end. So, we cannot write letter U. We will write UE. For example, few. So, you can hear long sound, but we cannot represent long sound by letter U, so we will represent it with EW. Similarly, have. See, this words end with the sound V. That is the sound for the letter V. So we will put letter E because as we know the spelling rule that English words don't end with V. So we will put silent E at the end. But now the silent E will not perform the magic E activity. The magic E's rule, the magic E rule. U is an exception to it. There are some more exceptions, but keep this thing in your mind that English language has only few exceptions. But if most of the words belong to other languages, if you find this is an exception. For example, menu. Its origin would be French or the Japanese. It is not English word. That's why we can write letter U at the end of the word. Now, one more thing, that English words also don't end in letter I and J. So for this, what we do? For the letter I and J, we use letter Y and IE or IGH for the long I sound, and for J sound at the end of the words, we use graphemes like DGE or GE. Examples are sky. Look here, letter YI, we cannot write it as this because we cannot write letter I at the end of the word. So we will write Y instead of letter I for the long I sound. Other examples can be tie, high, my, for the J sound at the end, we cannot write letter J, so we will represent it either by DG or G. For example, gauge, for example, bridge. In bridge, we are representing J sound by DG, and in gauge, we are representing J sound with GE. But exceptions are, there are only few exceptions. High, sky, eye. Here is a simple infographic. Look at this simple robot. What he is telling us? No. Be careful. Don't put letter I, letter J, letter U and V at the end of English words. Just keep this robot in your mind. You will get to know this rule. Now, doubling of consonant in consonant plus LE syllable. A consonant LE syllable is basically a final syllable, look, with one consonant followed by letter L and silent E. And if the consonant LE pattern is combined with the open syllable, as here, table. Te, it is an open syllable, and bull. So, this pattern is followed by open syllable, so we will not double the middle consonant. On the contrary, if you look over here, apple. So, here, this is a closed syllable. So, consonant plus LE pattern is followed by closed syllable, so we will double the consonant, apple. Some other examples are kettle, staple, etc. So move towards its infographics. Look here. If you find this pattern as a final syllables, and if this pattern is followed by open syllable, then we use single consonant. But if it is followed by closed syllable, then we would double the consonant. This is very simple. Now one more spelling rule. I before E except after C. This can be easily understood with the help of this. See? This is a simple rhyme. I before E except after C. If it rhymes with tree. Okay. If you hear E sound, and E sound is represented by IE. So whether we will use IE or EI, most of the time we are confused with it. But you just keep only one simple rhyme in your mind. See, I before E except after C. Always we will use I before E for E sound, except if it comes after C, as in receive, receipt, conceive. But there are some exceptions. I already discussed the simple infographics. Just look at it. You will get to know the simple spelling rule. This is very, very easy spelling rule. S never follows X. S never follows X. Look at this simple infographic. See? This is a smart X, but S is more smart. It never follows X. So if we want to make its plural, folks, we cannot write S. Instead, we will write ES. Similarly, you can make plural out of other words too. Look here. So, if you hear a sound after x, letter X sound. So, now what we will do, because we cannot write letter S, what we will do, we will write letter C. But we know letter C is having k sound, But we also know the gentle Sindhi rule that if we put E, I or Y after letter C, it will make it soft sound instead of the hard one. For example, excise, excite. There are many examples. Just go through all of these examples.